Leaky gut. You hear about this a lot in my world. I just want you to understand a little bit, okay? So the first thing I want you to understand is there are some really high intolerance foods that people eat on a regular basis. Wheat, corn, soy, eggs, and dairy. These are the biggest five that oftentimes will start this process of leaky gut. So we should have really good tight junctures in the small intestine in here. Your body should have wisdom and say, I'll let this in. No, I want that. That shouldn't come in, right? But what happens, and we see this a lot with people who are on antacids, is their food is leaving the stomach undigested or not digested really well. And as you age, you lose about 40% of your hydrochloric acid, so you don't digest really well. And that food now enters the small intestine. And you have these little guys in there called villi. And their little villi are like seaweed. And they are the ones that will say, okay, you can come in or you can't come in. But what happens when these molecules start coming down that are way too big and undigested, it shears off that villi, and you are only one cell away from your bloodstream. So what happens? Those big particles get into your bloodstream, sends off all kinds of alarms in the body. Your inflammation goes up because your immune system responded to these molecules. And now we have an issue because we have a gut that is leaky, and you can fix it. So stay tuned.